Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. In today's update, we'll be going through a new feature recently released to QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Online Accountant, the ability to be able to send emails using your Gmail account. Now, this has been a heavily requested feature for quite a while now, so I'm super stoked to be able to have the opportunity to take you through the feature today. So first up, we'll need to create an invoice. I'm going to go here, I'm going to select the customer, Admin Co. And now we need to add a product or service. So let's just select anything on the list. We're going to do some apples. The amount is just $50. That's fine. It's GST on export. And we're going to go to save and send. Now you see here currently the from email address is the generic notifications email address from QuickBooks. But if we select the drop down arrow, we have a new option to add Gmail address. So we click on that. And we click on Connect Google account. So you see from here, you can select your Gmail account. Now, one thing to note is if you have a Google account associated to a non-Gmail account, it won't work. So you see here, so make sure it is a Gmail account at this stage. So we click on that, and all we're doing is authorizing permissions. What it's saying, hey, we'll let QuickBooks be able to draft and send emails using your Gmail account. It's similar to the permissions you provide with any other app you may connect using QuickBooks Online. So we're going to allow that. And now you see here, we've got the new email address, which is our company email address. Intuit sends emails, send emails at gmail.com. Here, if you're happy with the invoice, you go and send and close. So we go through and do that. What we'll do is we'll just do another one really quickly to show you what happens. So this time, let's select Alexander Rudd. And we see here there's a billable time, so we'll just pull that through. We don't have an amount for that yet, so let's do 500. We go here and go save and send. And you can see here, hey, it's remembered the last email address you used to send an invoice. So that's our company email address. And we're happy with that, so we're just going to go to send and close. So that is sort of the feature in itself. It's pretty straightforward. But one thing that's really great is what should happen is you can see here I've got my Gmail account open right up here. So you see here what will actually happen is they should go into your Sents folder once they've come through. So we may come back to that in a little bit through the magic of editing to show you that they've come through. So I'll wipe it here. And wait, there you go. I didn't even wipe it. That just shows you that those email addresses came through, 11:46, 11:47. I'm not sure if you can see my timestamp right now, but it's currently 11:47. So those things came through not quite instantaneously, but within a minute, we were able to see those there. One other thing I'll show you, and again, I will need a cut here for the purposes of editing, but I'll show you that it does indeed come from your business email address when the customer receives it. So, and we're back. And you can see here, this is the email address. It's said straight from here that, hey, this is the business name, this is the business email address. And yeah, so that's what really happens. You can now send emails from within QuickBooks using your business Gmail account. And not only does your customer see that they come from your business account, you also have those in your sent folder in your Gmail account, so you can keep a better track of your invoices that you've sent, and you can quickly sort of search using your Gmail account. So that is the feature in its entirety. If you have any questions, please do leave them down below. I'll also leave a link for the FAQs in the description. And yeah, I'll see you next time for our next quick update.